At the Herbal Code 411, we believe that every plant holds a secret, a coded message from the earth itself. Today, we're cracking open one of the coolest codes nature has written, mint. This tiny leaf has traveled through time, from sacred rituals in ancient Egypt to the bustling apothecaries of medieval Europe. Mint wasn't just prized for its flavor, it was revered for its ability to heal, refresh, and even protect. And what about modern science? It's only confirming what our ancestors always knew. Mint is more than a burst of flavor. Studies show it can ease digestive troubles, soothe headaches, sharpen mental focus, and even relieve mild congestion. Research from the International Journal of Neuroscience found that peppermint oil could enhance memory and increase alertness by stimulating the brain's limbic system. And here's something unique. Mint's compounds, like menthol, can relax the smooth muscles of the gastrointestinal tract, helping to naturally ease bloating and discomfort after meals. But a word of caution, people with GERD, gallstones, or those who are pregnant should be careful with heavy mint use, as it may aggravate certain conditions. Always consult your healthcare provider before diving into herbal remedies. This video is for educational purposes only and is not medical advice. Now, if you want to experience mint's magic firsthand, try this simple mint-infused yogurt dip. Just mix a cup of plain Greek yogurt with a handful of finely chopped fresh mint, a drizzle of honey, and a pinch of sea salt. It's cooling, digestive friendly, and makes a perfect snack or side. If you're looking to start your own mint journey, we've curated a few of our favorite organic mint seeds, essential oils, and herbal wellness tools, all linked for you down below in the description. They're chosen with love and backed by nature. If you found today's decode helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss an herbal secret. At the Herbal Code 411, we believe that every leaf and every root carries an ancient message waiting to be unlocked. Thanks for watching, and remember, nature has a code, and we're just here to decode it. See you in the next one.